We, the people of Akikowa, socio-cultural group of Igbanke, and Igbanke generally, hereby stated that Igbanke is not Benin. We, the people of Igbanke, received a letter from Benin Traditional Council, headed by the Oba of Benin, Oba Ewere II, suspending our ancient traditional monarchs of Igbanke, known as Ndeze. The late Oba of Benin, who passed on April 2016, Oba Opolopolo Eredua I, of blessed memory, was the person who came to persuade the Ezes of Igbanke to bear enogi, because every other community rulers in Orion local government area are bearing such. Oba Eredua came to Igbanke in the year 1982 to plead with the kings of the land to answer enogi. Oba Eredua knows fully well that Igbanke kings are called Eze or Obi, but his purpose was a subtle one. Why he was saying it to sound like all traditional rulers in the Orion local government to have one common name, his ulterior motive was to deceive the kings of Igbanke and the people of Igbanke. Don't understand, and people of Igbanke don't understand or speak Benin. They didn't quickly rebuke him, the Oba Eredua. We, the people of Igbanke, are challenging the Benin traditional monarch to tell the whole world who is that Benin prince that is appointed as a Nogi in Igbanke land. And in what year did that Benin prince came to the geographic location known today as Igbanke? But before then, our traditional rulers are known and called Eze, while the elderly men are called Ogele, Okpara, Uku, Ndinche, and Eze. Also in Igbanke, we have the traditional priesthood system, which is headed by Eze Nwa Obu, Ndeze Dibia. It is not acceptable to the people of Igbanke for another king to issue suspension or removal of the kings of Igbanke, because the throne of kingship in Igbanke is hereditary. Our kings are born, kings are not appointed, they are not appointees or chiefs. Oba of Benin, they are not appointees of the Oba of Benin. Igbanke is an autonomous community headed by 6 kings, which are not appointed by any Oba of Benin, either presently or before. And they are not Benis. The people of Igbanke have been known in time past as Western Igbos, Midwest Igbos, Bende Igbos, Eka Igbo.
ONOUDO na Akuri na de Madana Igbanke Afa Ika Adam na Igbo Ungba Inke Disata Nata Ladi Ika Denata Sata Ladi Ika Faram di establish Igbo Wado Afa Arika Denata America Arika na Nata Ika Ikaja na Nata Ladi, meaning the modern words of Ika, Ikaja means not lands.
What we do here is go back.